Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I will be sharing 10 lines essay about the Naxalite movement. Number 1. The Naxalite movement began in 1967. Number 2. It started in Naxalbari village, West Bengal. Number 3. The movement followed Maoist ideas. Number 4. Charu Majumdar and Kanu Sanyal lead the movement. Number 5. The goal was to get land rights for poor farmers. Number 6. They called for armed rebellion against the government. Number 7. The Naxalites used guerrilla warfare. Number 8. The movement spread to other Indian states. Number 9. The government launched operation against them. Number 10. The Naxalite movement is still a challenge for India. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.